Let's see. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. Going to run some errands today. I've been really busy the last couple of weeks, but this is my attire for today. Just, you know, kind of kicking it. And yes guys, this is my tummy. You know, for those who haven't seen my video, yes, your girl is rocking a crop top. Oh yeah. Yeah, I just finished eating too. I got gas. So but anyway, I'm gonna take you guys on my today's Saturday. We got date night. Well, not really date night, but we're going out to eat later. Going to run and pick up, get him to get his haircut, run and pick up his pampas, and go from there. So I'll see you guys in a few. Hey y'all, and I'm back. We are going, where are we going? We're going, where are we going?
Brunswick.
We're going to Brunswick, Georgia. We are going, what are we going to do? Camping. I won't really say it's camping. We're just going out to the great outdoors. Babe got this, this camper back here. My first time getting ready to go into this thing. How long you had this thing, baby? Yeah, I want to see baby. No baby. Baby. Baby over there. So we are going camping. How long you had it?
About 2 months.
You like it?
Yep.
What you call it? Your little penthouse?
Mm-hmm.
Military man. So that's why he bought this thing. You know what I'm saying? So in that way, you don't have to what? Stay in what? Hotels.
Hotel.
Exactly. So smart move. Smart move. You know, but when we get all set up, guys, I'll hit you guys back up. All right? Gotta have something, you know. We never made it. To go camping. We never made it. Yeah. So somebody, I didn't call no names, and they right across from me. You know. Yeah. So now we be having dinner. What? You ashamed?
Cover my face up.
We had Longhorn and dinner. We had devoured the lobster. The man over there got the steak. Say hi, Mr. You know.
I'm embarrassed.
You are? You're
I'm
embarrassed.
embarrassed.
He's embarrassed, y'all. So, we gotta take the camper back. It's about 45 minutes. About what? About 45 minutes away from the house. And not too far from Florida. About 45 minutes from the house. So, we're gonna go and put it up. Yeah, and chill. So, I'll put you guys in the back. Good morning, YouTube. Well, good morning, guys. It is 6:33 in the morning. I'm now just getting off of work. Of course, you guys can still see I got my uniform on. Plus, you guys can see I still got my Valentine's Day balloon. We kept this up. It's now going flat, you guys. Yeah, and I had this since Valentine's Day. But the other day, the reason why I came on here is the other day, me and Babe was going camping, and because he, you know, men just don't know how to organize properly. At least some of them don't know how to organize properly. So Babe called and said, baby, want to go camping, this and that. And I said, all right, no problem. You know, mind you, this is like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I know with these camping stuff or camping sites that you gotta set up, you know, make reservation and all that good stuff. So all right, so we off, packed, ready to go, ready to roll. And you know, we get there, and it was an epic fail because it was booked up. Mind you, we done circled this place, went out, and here go. The sign clearly says, because he went out there trying to get a key, the sign clearly says, sorry, no vacancies. He comes out, go back in, let me go check this book again, let me make sure. I said, baby, look the sign right there. He was like, you know what? I didn't even read that. I said, baby, you done went around this doggone thing, and you did not see that say that? Anyway, that's when y'all see me going out to eat. We went out to eat, and it was like 11 o'clock at night, okay? Went out to go eat, then we had to drive back 45 minutes, almost like to the borderline of Florida. So, reason why I'm saying this is because somebody had to make up for the disappointment, okay? Because we didn't get back home until after 1 o'clock in the morning, that morning. Yeah, so somebody had to make up for that disappointment. So why I say that? Because look at the makeup. Yeah, what is that? So I walks in, and yeah, this is what's there. Okay, and of course it's the bag. Yeah, okay, so we're going to unbox this and see what this is. Gotta be either one or two things. Okay, so let's see. Put my glasses on. Put you guys right here. Now, mind you, this, if you guys know your brands, okay, if you guys know your brands and know your products, this is the Neverfull GM. Okay, the GM is the bigger, one of the biggest bag that they have in this line. So this is, oh Jesus, yeah, let me, yeah, it's like, yeah, this big. If you guys can see it in the mirror over there, probably too dark. Yeah, but it's this big bag. So the makeup is definitely a good makeup. I'm just saying. Our girl is happy. And it comes with the little pouch. Yeah, this is definitely a shopper's bag, a big old tote shopper's bag. The makeup. So anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next one. I am about to take my wig off, take my glasses off, take my uniform off, get ready, get situated for bed, and I am going to sleep. So I'm out.